for the 5 months since I've been to Cape Coast. A lot has been taking place, guys. And this was not here before. Baron, could you tell me what this is so the audience knows what we are looking at right here?
This is supposed to be some culvert for drainage.
Drainage.
And they're cutting a road here.
Ah!
Yeah, it's the road already cut, but this is waterlogged area. So they're trying to, get it safe so trucks can take material through.
This is, guys, this is a vast improvement. And again, you can always revisit the content I had on Cape Coast. And so within 5 months, this is where we are. We are now heading up to look at phase 2.
Yeah. Phase 2.
I remembered, and you'll see us walking along here. So we're going all the way up there.
Yeah, but we're going to go this way.
We're going to go this way.
There.
Please lead the way, please. So to the right.
Let's go to
Okay.
phase 2.
To phase 2.
Yeah, phase 2.
And phase 1 is still gone?
Phase 1, yeah, it's done.
And again, audience, if once you acquire your land, if you do not start the process of even putting up fence within 2 years, you do have a little grace period beyond 2 years, you will lose the land. I have to stress that. And Baron, you have persons who have bought into phase 1 and they have not yet fenced, and it's approaching 2 years?
Yeah, it's approaching 2 years and they've done nothing.
Ah!
So, and we want phase 1 to develop fast.
Okay.
So right now, all the positive people in phase 1 are working, building the home.
Yes.
So we're just waiting for the ones that's sitting there to start doing something.
Okay. So we're going to make a right here for you to guide Lauren around the side.
Yeah, we're going to go right.
Okay. The last time I was here, audience, you remember, I went all the way up the top. So we are now going to go around this side, approaching phase 2.
Okay, I will tell her.
So Lauren, who wanted some heat, I guess it's a little bit strong. She has to think. Hi, I'm actually in the middle of doing videoing. But what go on to you? Refresh my memory. You said you met me at Jamaica Village.
Yes. Yes, this is a few months ago. But I'm on the Ghana Caribbean Association Chapters platform.
Ah, are you in Cape Coast now?
No, I'm in Accra.
In Accra?
I'll be coming to ASEBU in a couple of weeks' time.
Ah, well, I hope we meet again.
Yeah, man, we will.
All right, take it easy.
All right, you too.
Take care.
Yeah, okay, take care.
Come here, sir. Oh, is this Camille?
Yeah, this is...
Lauren, please to come and meet. I will have contact with Jackie and her husband, Camille. Jackie couldn't make it. This is Camille, fellow Jamaican right here, sir. Welcome to the channel back again, Camille. Lauren, we mean business. Yes, sir. Well, Camille, watch your content, Camille, talk to me. Guys, what is impressive here is that you remember Camille and Jackie coming into Ghana. They're actually in Ghana less than 6 months. And remember, Camille on one of the vlogs said to us, all he knows is about construction. Camille said he has been on a construction site from age 14. Camille is in his 40s. Well, people, Keneal has his plots on ASEBU project. He has his workmen. He's building. Keneal, talk to the people and tell us how things are going for you.
Well, I would say things are going pretty good. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. Having my team. This is my building now. I line it out and have it going.
How many plots is Keneal?
This is 2 plots really.
Oh, this is 2 plots?
Yeah, the house is fitting on 1 plot. Yeah, so there's another plot up there. And we have the container.
But 2 plots just massive.
Well, it's a little bit over 2 plots.
Okay.
It's a little bit over 2 plots. Just a little.
We are coming through.
Here now. This is a one-of-a-kind work here in Ghana. This is coming from Jamaica.
Lorraine, beg you come here, son of my girl.
This is coming straight out of Jamaica. One-of-a-kind work. You wouldn't find beams and columns here in no building.
So you're saying this is a Jamaican
This is
thing
a
right here?
Jamaican thing.
Okay. Oh.
I've seen a lot of faults in some buildings, and I decided that I would have to do it different, more stronger, because I don't want to have the faults that I see occur in many houses in mine. And this is mine, I can't cheat it, and I can't cheat myself. So I have to do it.
So can I say this is like reinforcement?
Yes, this is a reinforcement. This is a, no, we are going on top.
Yes.
It's a 2-story building.
Yes.
Yeah. So if your foundation is not good, then your house is not good.
Yeah.
Your house can only be as strong as your foundation.
Yes. Correct.
So if you have good foundation, then you have a good building.
Be careful, Lauren, man, you fall. Yeah. Okay, let me get you and Keneal explaining and showing her the thing.
Oh, well,
because Lauren will be looking, man, you fall, to build.
Okay.
Right?
Well, this here, we are now casting at least 1 foot concrete.
Okay.
Yeah, this beam here, this beam is 6.5 inches high. Yeah, so we have to cover it with concrete. See, we catch it up from the ground, like say 3 inches someplace, 2.5 inches. Yeah, and we have to cover it with concrete. So we are looking at 1 foot of concrete here.
Ah.
Right.
What are the grade steels you're using for this?
Okay. For there, I use 3/8 steel. Yeah. For the rings, for the stirrups, and for the beam down there, I use 1/2 inch, 12mm. And for the pillars, what we call the columns, we use 5/8, number 16.
Keneal, talk to Lauren and understand a thing where you talk about her. She seemed to understand. How many bedrooms you're doing on your 2 plots, Keneal?
Well, down here I only have 2 bedrooms down here.
Yes.
As big as it is, it's only 2 bedrooms downstairs. And 2 upstairs.
Okay, so we're doing 4.
We need 4 bedrooms.
Yes. And so you have your own equipment and your container over there.
I have everything for myself.
Yes, yes,
I bought everything when I came here.
Yes.
Bought a concrete mixer. Bought
And your container.
I bought table saw. I bought generator. I have handsaw. I have compactor. I have everything I need.
Well, Keneal, hear what happened now. You're delivering on what you said, right? And I'm a firm believer that you have to walk your talk.
All my life is design of construction.
So subscribers, Keneal told us, all he knows is construction.
I never collect a dollar or anything else yet in my life.
He's here in Ghana and he's building his home.
Yeah.
Guys, I like how it looks. It's a good look. So Keneal, we're moving with
boots on the ground.
Ah, yes, yes, yes. I remember Lauren is going through the boots on the ground too. But what I can say to you right now is that we're going to take her to look at the stuff. But we're going to have a little natter. Because I think what she's seen here, because she really wanted to see what you guys had in store.
Also,
and with him.
Also, my sister-in-law, which is my wife's sister.
Yeah.
I have 2 plots in over in phase 2. And I already did the fence wall on it.
Alright. Well, you know, say your boots on the road with Dinah, so you don't know, say we're going forward to you and have a convo later on. Sound good? You feel good with that, Lauren? Give me a thumbs up now, man. You get up 4 o'clock this morning. I know what I'm doing here now. Guys, we're keeping it jiggy.
I wake up from 2.
Well,
I was here since 5.
well, Kanil, you right here now in the second love of your life, you know. So it means that you have to be on there early.
No, I want to tell you. No, I say, no wife will beat me.
Lord have mercy. But Kanil, I appreciate you taking the time to do this.
Yes.
We'll see you later.
Okay.
All right? Thank you so much. Guys, please share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Merasi. God bless.